Friday morning, everybody. Well, today is only my Thursday. So, I have tomorrow, which is my Friday. Anyway, I just thought I would hop on real quick, say hello, good morning, kind of check in. I've been working, all week. Yesterday, I did work from 10 to 7. One of the girls at work is sick. So, basically I was covering hours. So today I'm probably back to 10 to 7. I'm not sure. So we'll see what happens. But work is going well. I'm still learning new things. So that's always a good thing to do, right? So anyway, my eating has been good, actually. I've been following plan. I've been sticking to plan. I haven't gone over points. I've used points, so I haven't not used anything. So everything is happening pretty smoothly right now. And this weekend, I got to figure out again what I'm going to do for the week. And it so helped me by planning my week out and knowing exactly what I was going to do, how I was going to do it, So that definitely helped me. So I do want to do that again this week. Okay, so that all helped. It all is good and done, right? So now we got to worry about the next week. I am going to be weighing in on Sunday. That will be my weigh-in day from now on. So I'm anxiously awaiting to see if there has been a change. I'm still having trouble getting fluids in because it's so cold. I don't want to drink. It's like really cold today. Echo. What's the temperature right now?
Right now, it's 26 degrees Fahrenheit.
26 degrees outside. So that is a problem for me. I don't want to drink anything. I don't even want to drink water. I don't want to drink soda. I don't want to drink anything. So I got to get the fluids going a little bit better. I did drink when I got home last night. Then, of course, I was up all night long going to the bathroom, right? So hopefully I can figure it out and just kind of take a sip here and a sip there. I do have the app. It is going off for me, reminding me to drink my water. But I'm not thirsty. I'm just going to have to get up and go in the back room and take a drink and then come back out every time that goes off. At least I'll have something going in. My mom, I said, was going to have surgery today. It got canceled. She is very, very sick. I talked to her last night. Her voice is just, it doesn't even sound like her. She's having a lot of pain in her chest. So they did some x-rays. She hasn't heard anything yet, but the doctor thought maybe possible walking pneumonia. So she's still waiting to hear from that. She's on antibiotics and a prednisone, I think she said. So she's taking a Z-Pak and a prednisone. Hopefully by tomorrow, even today, I'm hoping that it kind of eases up for her. I know it's going around. So she has decided pretty much, she's still kind of thinking, praying about it, but she may not do. She had one knee scheduled for today, and then she had the second knee scheduled for April. So she might just wait through April. And I kind of encouraged her to do that because it's kind of hard to have that kind of surgery, because she's gonna have to get up, she needs to be mobile, she needs to be walking. So it's kind of hard to do when there's so cold and possible snow and you slip one time and you mess up that knee, So I think that's what she's pretty much thinking. So hopefully everything works out the way, God has planned for her. Other than that, I'm pretty much just living life over here. Living life over 55. And I did have to go do my driver's license again. Remember I told you that I went and got a driver's license in July. That's how I found out the whole cheating escapade. So I got my driver's license in July. Then I didn't get it, right? So I went back again, August, September. I didn't get it again. So I went back again yesterday, and they told me to get a real ID. I had to have a copy. You heard me say that. Copy of my marriage license. So I sent off, got a couple of copies. It was like $16 by the time it was all said and done. Got it mailed to me, so I went ahead and took that. And so I ended up having to pay again for a driver's license that I already paid for, that I haven't received because of either A, I'm going to say it's going to be A, the post office. So basically, they told me they couldn't use the marriage certificate that I had brought with me. Now we're divorced, right? Been divorced since 2015. So, you know why? Because it didn't have a raised seal. I'm like, nobody told me that. They told me they needed a copy. I don't know the difference between a copy and a raised seal. I don't know any of that stuff. So anyway, long story short, can't use it, couldn't get the real ID, had to pay again for another just regular standard ID, which means come May, if I don't have a passport, I have to, I can't fly anywhere, because starting May 6th, in case nobody knows, May 6th in the United States, if you do not have what is called a real ID, you cannot fly domestic flights. You cannot go from Missouri to Texas, or from Missouri to Florida, or however, wherever you're going. You cannot unless you have a real ID. Well, I don't have a real ID because they're telling me that because my name on my birth certificate and my name that I carry, which I did not change my name back, I kept my married name. Since those are different, I have to have a raised seal marriage certificate. So then I went online and they said, or you can fly with a standard driver's license and a passport. I've never gotten a passport before. So I went ahead, I went online, I signed up to get my passport, right? Guess what? It says, are you married, single, divorced, widowed? And I'm like, divorced. And it says, your husband, I needed my ex-husband's information. Well, I don't know my ex-husband's information because A, we weren't married that long, and B, it's been a long time. I don't know his birth date. I have no idea. I think I know what his birth date was. I think I know what year he was born. I don't remember. So, I mean, this is like my second husband, right? My second ex-husband. So, I have no idea when the man was born. I can tell you when the ex that I just broke up with, I can give you his birthday. I can tell you my first husband's birthday. I cannot tell you the second. I cannot tell you his birthday. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. So I have to figure that out. And I thought, oh, it's not even on my divorce decree. I would have thought our birth dates would have been on our divorce decree, but they're not. I don't know how to find out that information. So I don't know. I mean, they keep sending me to online. There was a number, I called it, and they're like, well, just, put in whatever you think it is. Well, then how am I going to get a passport if I got the wrong information? Anything that I do these days, you guys, is just like what most people go, boom, done. I got to go boom, 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 psh, boom, 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 boom. It's like I take 16 steps to get one step done that everybody else is taking one step for, right? Patience. I'm trying to have patience. I am trying to have patience. I just pray above that this next driver's license that I just went and got comes through. I really hope it's coming through to me. So we shall see what happens. I did it yesterday, so hopefully it's here in a week. Passport, I still got to figure out, or I got to figure out this man's birthday, and I have no idea how to do either one of that. I have not talked to this guy since the day of the divorce. So, anyway, that's my story for the week, anyway. For the week. We still have another week coming. I do have to make a decision on if I'm staying in this apartment or if I am moving along. I would really, truly don't know what I want to do at this moment. So most likely I'm going to hang out again for another year and then figure out what goes on from there. In all reality, I'm pretty sick of moving. I've been bing, 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 bing. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and sign this lease and see what God has in store for me. At least I'm hoping that it all comes true. You see, I got my little mantle. Thanks, Bernie. I did it. I did order a tree. I told you guys I broke down and like it just hit me. I heard a Christmas carol. It was one of my grandma's favorite Christmas carols and had to do it. So it hasn't come yet. It was supposed to come today by 8. Now it's saying tomorrow by 8. It's Christmas time, so I'm sure. I don't know if you guys heard. I heard on the radio on the way home from. I just did the driver's license yesterday. So on the way back to work from getting the driver's license, I heard that America spent. It was like $1.8 billion every so many seconds on Cyber Monday that equaled out to be just America, not the world. America spent trillions of dollars on Cyber Monday. So I guess everybody has that holiday festive, or my theory, everything went up so high that now what we used to spend millions on is now trillions. Who knows? Interesting. So anyway, that's my little info for the day. Otherwise everything is good. Buddy's supposed to be going on the 16th to get groomed. I cannot wait because we had to go get his Bordetella. He couldn't get groomed until then, and then this is December, so they are booked salad. So they're working him in on the 16th. So I can't wait to see my little guy. He's already got his little Santa Claus bow tie ready to put on. So that will be fun. Hopefully by then the Christmas tree is up and I can get his picture in front of the tree. All right, guys. Well, this is a short video. Didn't have much to show. I didn't film anything really that I ate this week. I was pretty much on the go. I need to go get my car started. It is 9:30. I got to be to work in a half hour. So everybody take care. Have a great Friday. And I will talk to you guys all on Sunday. Mwah! Bye.